Pero lahir shape. Lahir shape. Mana ang pili dyan yung frame.
Ay.
Pwede siya.
Kana.
Brown.
Nang karapaw? Ha? Kung naa kay stigmatism, di na makuha na yun. Ang kung ano gani niya, Doc, okay ra daw siya sa reading glasses.
Oh, so dili wala kay panlayo.
Kay tangta.
Grado sir, 175.
Mana magsakit imong upa. Mana magsakit imong upa kay tantangon imong glasses di ka makita sa layo. Diba? I-test lang. Mana magsakit imong ulo kay tungod sa kung mag-reading glasses ka. Oh. Asa man ta?
Down.
Down ni Ajax. Dito masaag. Nana kong kwarta niya diri.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should.
Libre na ako dire.
Drinks.
Drinks? Free me drinks? Why free one person?
Ano may birthday?
Birthday na ako.
Oh, senior pa.
Ha? Hala, oy, magpagwapo pa jud ka. Oh, okay mo na imong buhok. Gwapo kay kasi imong buhok. Ay, mag-restroom pa jud. Awa. Sugod na ta.
O sa style, mukha umigaan? Okay na? Kaya din yun.
Pwede lang kaon daan sa mandagan. Lakaw na. Ikaw kuha. Ikaw pili ka.